Today we're going to talk about the importance of maintaining both spiritual and physical health. In Islam, it's considered essential to take care of both our bodies and our souls, as it's a trust that Allah has given us and a duty to fulfill. So, let's dive into some of the ways we can maintain both spiritual and physical health. Regular prayer and devotion to Allah. This is one of the most important ways to establish a strong connection with Allah and maintain spiritual health. Reading and studying the Quran. This helps to increase one's knowledge and understanding of Islamic teachings, and can bring a sense of peace and clarity to the mind and soul. Performing good deeds. Engaging in acts of kindness and generosity can help to cultivate a sense of purpose and fulfillment, as well as promote spiritual growth. In addition to these spiritual practices, there are also several physical habits that can help us maintain good health. Staying physically active. Regular exercise is important for maintaining physical health, and can also have positive effects on mental health and overall well-being. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet. Consuming a diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help to maintain physical health and prevent disease. Getting enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for physical and mental health, and can help to improve mood, focus, and overall well-being. Managing stress. Stress can have negative effects on both physical and spiritual health, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage and reduce stress, such as through exercise, mindfulness, or therapy. Cultivating positive relationships. Strong social connections and support from friends and family can help to boost mental and emotional health and bring a sense of happiness and fulfillment. It's important to remember that maintaining both spiritual and physical health is an ongoing process, and requires effort and discipline. However, by incorporating these practices into our daily lives, we can cultivate a sense of well-being and closeness to Allah. And that's all for today's episode. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.